Hi traders, today is 21st of July 2019, so we just closed week 29 trading day. So inside this video I will show you my performance for week 29. So if you are watching my live trading video, this is all about, and this is a summary for the whole week of trading time. So overall we profit this week around 1000 US dollar as a day trade during US session. So let's continue with the result. Okay, you can see here we begin for week 29 from July 15 to July 19. So overall there is four four trades have been made for the past 4 days on July 15, July 19, sorry, July 16, July 18, and July 19. So we are off on July 17 due to the news of inventory for WTI Crude Oil Market. So the trading winning for this week is quite good. So we have one losses recorded on July 16 with 98 US dollar loss. Although on that day we have profit during London session 256. So with these losses, and it create uh, one trading losses on July uh, 17. So this losses from the US session because my stop limit is too near, although the market did go for the direction. So but other than that, all the trading day is in profit. So you can see on in total we have 372 US dollar on 15th of July, then 700, and then the last one is 86 dollar. So the best day is July 18, 728 US dollar, because I'm trading as well for London session for this account. Okay, so it looks good this week. Overall for the past 9 days, starting July 8, we have profit around 2127 US dollar. That's the total profit with the winning day around 67%. So looks good at this moment. So let's continue for the next week. Hopefully the market still on our side, and it is the same strategy for trading US session. So we will day trade every day during 10 a.m. New York time, and there is always a signal every day and with this setup. So stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, so you will find a lot of video in my playlist for this day trade strategy. Okay guys, I think that's all for week 29. So keep watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and share, and also comment if you have any questions. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.